Every human being begins here. One microscopic cell. No brain, no heart, no eyes. Yet hidden within this beginning is the path toward an entire living body. This is the blueprint only God could write. One cell divides again and again until a microscopic beginning becomes trillions of cells, organized into one human life. Most cells carry the same DNA, yet one becomes muscle, another skin, another liver, another neuron. The library is shared, but different instructions are opened. Genes do not all act at once. Molecular switches activate certain instructions and silence others, guiding each cell toward the specialized identity it will eventually carry. Chemical signals spread across developing tissues like invisible coordinates. What a cell receives depends on where it is, and that position helps determine what it will become. But location is not enough. Timing matters. The same signal, received for a different length of time, can send a cell toward an entirely different future. Cells constantly communicate with their neighbors. They release signals, detect responses, and adjust their behavior, creating a microscopic conversation that helps organize the growing body. Cells grip one another, pull against surrounding fibers, and construct a supporting framework. From countless local connections, strong and organized living tissues begin to emerge. Then comes gastrulation, one of development's greatest transformations. Cells reorganize into three primary layers, establishing the foundation from which nearly every tissue and organ will form. The developing body must establish direction, head and tail, back and belly, left and right. Without these coordinates, the human form could not be correctly organized. Cells do more than read chemical messages. They feel pressure, tension, and resistance. These physical forces bend and fold living tissues into the beginnings of organs. Before the body is complete, early heart tissue begins coordinating its rhythm. There is no finished nervous system commanding every contraction, yet the cells synchronize. Even removal becomes part of construction. During hand development, programmed cell loss helps clear tissue between the forming digits, allowing separate fingers to emerge. Neurons extend delicate branches across developing tissue. Guided by chemical signals and physical contact, they begin forming the immense communication network that will serve the body. Blood vessels sprout, branch, connect, and form hollow channels. A vast transportation network develops, prepared to carry oxygen and nutrients wherever growing tissues need them. No organ develops in isolation. Heart, brain, lungs, liver, kidneys, vessels, and bones grow in relationship, each influencing the environment needed by the others. Development is not a fragile sequence with only one possible move. Feedback, redundancy, and correction help the system resist many fluctuations and remain remarkably stable. Yet biology is not unbreakable. Development can vary and sometimes it fails, but no difference, disability, or condition can diminish the sacred dignity of a human life. Here is the mystery. No individual cell sees the whole person. Each responds only to local information, yet together, trillions construct a body none of them can imagine. Science reveals genes, signals, forces, timing, and feedback. It can describe much of how development happens, but measurement alone cannot settle why such extraordinary order exists. The mechanisms are not replacements for the maker. For faith, every signal, genetic switch, cellular movement, and tissue fold reveals the astonishing order through which God creates. The cells do not know the complete design. They follow the information placed before them. But the one who authored life sees the beginning and the finished human. If creation leaves you searching for the mind behind the mystery, subscribe to the Mystery Forge for more journeys where scripture, science, and wonder meet.